Welcome. In front of me is a REALME Neo GT2, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. Now to get started, you will want to hold the power key, and once you see, there we go, the boot options, you want to slide down to power it off, wait for the device to turn off, and once that has happened, hold power key and volume down at the same time. Now once you see the REALME logo, you want to let go of the power key, like I just did, but keep holding volume down. There we go. So once you see the language selection right here, tap on the language that you wish to use. I'll be sticking with English, and from there you can select each option from here. So as you can see, we can install updates from storage, do an online update, wipe data, which has wipe data and format data. Now I'm going to touch upon this just because it's a little bit misleading. Wipe data doesn't actually wipe anything. It's absolutely useless option because as you can see, it gives you a message. Retains contacts, messages, and photos. What effing data does it wipe then? So yeah, when you're trying to perform a factory reset of your device, make sure you go with the format one. If you want to get rid of all your personal stuff from the device. As an example, if you're selling your device, this is the way to go. This does nothing. And going back, we have also reboot and power off option. So as you can see, not very many options. Now once you're done with this recovery mode and you want to leave it, you can choose either the reboot or power off. I'll be sticking with reboot just because it will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.